So if you're using this Xiaomi C700 Smart Camera and you want to take a picture, this quick guide will show you how to capture photos or grab a screenshot from your live view. So for that, let's open the Xiaomi Home app and then straight go to the live feed section. So first you gotta tap on this navigation button, and then you can just rotate the camera up and down, left or right to 360 degrees to position it properly in case you want to take a photo of a specific subject. When you're all set, just tap on this tiny camera icon. Your photo will be taken and saved. And you can take multiple photos by the exact same process. To access all your saved photos, you can just open Storage Management. You can find them either on Xiaomi Cloud if it's enabled or on SD card section if it's inserted, or you can just go straight to the local section. And there it is. You will find all your captured images in here. So as you can see, you can tap on the image to have a closer look, zoom in and out. It'll show up with the date it was taken. You can either delete it or you can just select it and just share it to anyone from any source. Along with that, if you open the devices gallery, all the photos are automatically saved in there and you can access them from there as well. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.